Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play the Super Mario World Overworld theme on piano easily. We will begin by focusing on the right-hand melody. Start by finding middle C and then locate the notes for the first 4 measures. Practice these notes slowly, perhaps at 60 beats per minute on a metronome, to build accuracy and muscle memory before moving on. Now, let's add the left-hand accompaniment. For this easy version, we will use simple bass notes derived from C major, G major, and F major chords. Your left hand will play these notes on the first and third beats of each measure, providing a steady rhythmic foundation. This simple pattern makes it much easier to coordinate with the right hand. With both hands now familiar with their parts, it is time to combine them. Begin by playing both hands together at an extremely slow tempo, perhaps 40 beats per minute. Focus on the synchronization between the melody and the bass notes. As you feel more comfortable and accurate, gradually increase the tempo by 5 to 10 beats per minute until it sounds smooth. To truly master this fun theme, consistent practice is key. Break the piece into smaller, 2-measure sections and perfect each one before connecting them. Listen to the original Super Mario World theme to internalize the rhythm and feel. Dedicate 15 to 20 minutes each day to practice, and you will be playing this iconic tune confidently in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.